weekend, what could be the best Jordan 4 colorway did release, and the best part about them is that you can get them for retail. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another Minimal Mondays. My name is Paul, and for today's video, we've got a very special pair of sneakers to discuss, review, and of course, style on the toe. Here we have the newly released Jordan 4 Cave Stone. This pair of sneakers has been pretty highly anticipated, as they do somewhat resemble that of the Friends and Family Travis Scott. But with that in mind, to many people's surprise, they did drop over the weekend, and you can get them for retail even right now. But before we proceed, if you do enjoy this style of content where we bring in the sneakers that you want to see, please be sure to go ahead and like today's video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. This is going to be the best way to let us know to keep this style of content coming, and be sure to make your thoughts known in the comments below. We are always reading the comments and enjoy engaging with the community. Also, as always, all of the garment links will be provided in the description below. Feel free to peruse this website because we have a very large catalog with new styles dropping every week. But jumping right into the sneakers, as you can see, they do come in this very special Jordan 4 box. What's especially nice about this box is that it does feature a nice texture. I thought that was a very nice detail, as it does resemble a cave stone as entailed in the name of the sneaker. Out top, you do have the Jumpman Flight logo, and of course at the front of the box we do have the size tag. Now, getting to the sneakers themselves, they do come encased in some special tissue paper, and here we have the Jordan 4 Cave Stone. As previously stated, the Jordan 4 Cave Stone did release over the weekend, September 6th, at a retail price of $215. Surprisingly enough, the sneakers are sitting on a plethora of different websites, so if you did miss the drop on the various Nike apps and things of that sort, you can go ahead and pick them up on various websites at that aforementioned retail price. This is very surprising because, as you can see, the sneaker does feature such a beautiful color scheme, and that's independent of them somewhat resembling the Travis Scott Friends and Family. The color palette on the shoe is just very, very versatile and wearable, which I know many of you will appreciate. Now, getting right into the details of the sneaker, the upper is mainly comprised of a very nice quality nubuck in an earthy brown colorway, otherwise coined as a term cave stone. And in my opinion, this color scheme would look perfect with many fall outfits. The sneaker is accented with black mesh netting, TPU plastic eye stays, and of course we do have the tongue detail, all of which works perfectly to add a little bit of dimension and contrast to this beautiful Jordan 4 Cave Stone. Around back, what I'm sure is a very welcome sight to see the Nike Air logo, paying homage to the classic Jordan 4. If you guys are wondering, this Jordan 4 does feature the newly updated Jordan 4 silhouette, which in my opinion is the best rendition shape of a Jordan 4 that's ever released. Now, moving on to the midsole as well to the outsole, we do have a pretty run-of-the-mill Jordan 4 midsole outsole system, where you've got the encapsulated air sole unit for the forefoot, as well as the air window showing off the air unit for the heel. For the outsole, you've got a multi-directional traction pattern here. This is what is known as herringbone traction, and does add a good amount of grip and stability. Finally, as it relates to the interior of the shoe, you've got a nice level of padding that sits on the ankle, very soft, very comfortable, which is finished in this very soft and fuzzy mesh collar. Now, when it comes to sizing for the Cave Stone Jordan 4, go ahead and take your true to size. If you have any experience with Jordan 4s, take that size. You should be good to go. Now, to be specific, if you do have a wider foot, consider going a half size up, but for a mass majority of people, going true to size should have you just right. And now, with all of the details and of course sizing accounted for, let's go ahead and see the sneakers styled on the toe with some garments from our website. This first outfit does feature the old reliable everyday 2T. The C does feature a flat hemline, but here I did decide to give it a little bit of a crop to go ahead and complement the pants, which I will be talking in detail in just a moment. As for sizing, I did go with a size medium, which is my true size. I'm 5'7", 170 pounds. Very soft, very comfortable, featuring a good amount of structure for the everyday 2T. Now, the pants are known as the baggy rave cargo pants, and as you can see, it does feature a camel printed woven fabric. It is very nice quality. They are designed with a very wide leg that flares down below the knee for a 90s inspired rave style of fit. The pants do feature military inspired pockets and are finished with a button fly and adjustable waistband. Now, despite the fact that they do fit pretty baggy, go ahead and take your true size. I'm a size 30 in all pants. These are a size 30. Fit perfect. Moving on to the second look, I did throw on the perfect zip up hoodie constructed from a very nice quality 550 GSM French terry fabric. This piece is designed to fall and fit beautifully, and we did decorate it with the LWH cross zipper pull. It is designed to fit relaxed with a drop shoulder and a subtle crop finish. Despite these attributes for intended fit, take your true to size, but we did go ahead and provide the measurements on the website page for your viewing pleasure. It is named the perfect zip up hoodie due to its beautiful proportions, subtle yet necessary details, and of course it is comprised of top quality fabric. With that said, the pants are known as the G04 relaxed flare denim and are constructed from 13 ounces of 100% denim, very high quality, and they are custom treated with our wash protocol. This produces beautiful whiskering and wash throughout each pair, and the fit is entirely new, designed from the ground up, featuring a longer rise, more room in the thigh, and does finish down at the ankle with a subtle flare opening. Again, for these bottoms, go ahead and go true to size, and if you are concerned, go ahead and check out the site page because we have all of the details and measurements provided there. And now moving on to the last outfit of the day, I'm not going to throw only baggy pants to you. So for that reason, I did throw on the boot cut denim. These are designed with a newly updated boot cut fit, which does provide a decent amount of room in the thigh area through the legs and does finish with a boot cut down to the ankle. This pair is made from 100% cotton denim. It features beautiful whiskering and a vintage wash. Keeping true to the vintage theme, I did throw on the striped soccer shirt to go with them, which does feature a vintage wash throughout. This tee is comprised of 100% cotton as well, features a flat hemline and an extended shoulder seam for a more relaxed drop shoulder fit. We did add some contrast tape to the shoulder to add a little bit of detail to the shirt, and for fit reference, I am wearing a size medium, which is my true size. And that was the third and final fit for today's video. I'd be interested in hearing what you have to say about the Jordan 4 Cave Stone. Do you plan on making them a part of rotation? Did you pick them up over the weekend? Please go ahead and make your thoughts known in the comments below. As always, we'll have all the links to the garments that we styled these with in the description for your viewing pleasure. And I'd like to thank you guys so much for continuing to support us here at Minimal. We really do appreciate the Minimal community so much. And with all that being said, I will see you again next week for another Minimal Mondays.